Right there.
Where's your ate?
You sleep here and Jay, you will sleep there. They're gonna sleep 4 of them there. There, 4. 4 of you there. And Jackie.
Me and my parents.
And Andrea?
Yeah.
No, but also, aren't you guys gonna move out, no?
Parang yung German wine na yan.
About
Ha?
Well, I mean, if you guys ever
Russia.
move out. If you guys ever move out, you guys stay together?
I live in America. What very
Cool,
good.
Andrea?
No, no.
Except I'll probably beat her up.
We're like best friends.
Yeah, we hang out now. We hang out with.
O siguro
We're like
kasi
twins.
Yeah, we hang out with
Gutom
our
tayo.
friends.
Oh, okay. But, oh, okay, you're 16?
I'm 17.
17 and 20, right? So it's like 3 years. Okay,
You're
it's not that.
16.
You're
I'm 18. And you're
You're 25.
No, I'm hella old. Stop
How's
talking.
man? How old is man?
You think I'm 21.
21.
Kailan?
Bata ka pa pala eh.
July.
20.
July this year.
21, 20. Sinong susunod?
19 si Stephanie.
19 si Steph.
18.
18,
I'm the second
17.
oldest.
Sunod-sunod pala sila manapin. 21, 20, 19, 18, 17.
16 si Gio.
16 si Gio.
I'm turning 21. That's how we do.
Ganda ng ano na tao, 16, 17, 18.
The oldest.
I'm turning 20.
You have a picture with Mickey Mouse.
You're 16.
I don't.
You're beautiful and you're
Oh yeah.
Oh! What did you slap me?
Masyado marami people.
You go next. Yes.
You have a school or you have date with your boyfriend?
Yeah, 5 days a week I go to and have it when I'm broke.
Lolo Wanet, Tito Wanet.
Sabay kayo nag-boyfriend ni Ana?
Gusto niyo na hubad?
Na?
Gusto niyo pa ng kapsat?
Nandito na.
Kamchak ka.
Tama na ko, hindi na ako makatayo. Pag tumayo ko, tutumba na ako.
O talagang Pilipinas.
Oh, nice. That's how we do. Yeah, eh, saan ka nag-birthday ng 18 years old mo? Wala.
Stephanie, are you
You wanna
done?
know?
Yes.
Hindi
Huh?
naman kailangan.
You done?
Pag
What?
natapos ka na.
There's a lot more.
Pag kinasal ka,
There's a lot more.
pag kinasal ka, big wedding.
Is there's a lot more?
Never man yung mga 18th birthday na yan, 21st
Do you
birthday.
want? Do you want more?
Andra,
What?
you're gonna turn 21,
I don't know.
ito siya pwede nakasal sa
Probably your
Vegas.
head.
Anong
You and me?
No kayo.
We can't.
Kahit ano.
That's big.
The what?
Too big for us.
The what?
You can hang out
What did she say? That's
Kevin,
nice.
Yun dyan.
can you change this with water?
Oh, pero pagka-alcohol,
Ay, no.
less calories.
O yung mga empty bottles na put it in the
So
recycle for
we
my
drink alcohol,
retirement,
like
okay?
right now,
Wow.
vodka is like less calories, so there's less fat.
So they're coming Christmas?
Beer.
Depende kung sa ng Las Vegas.
Yeah. That's why.
But I'm
Las
not
Vegas,
old.
I
I'm
know,
not
it should be
old enough
21.
yet. I am. How many weeks
So
for
you
your
say
vacation?
you drink that and you won't get that?
A whole
Well,
month.
at least you're kind of...
Yeah.
1 month.
A month. 1 month.
Yeah, kind of.
Is that as much?
But I'm not old enough yet.
No, it's 1 month.
It's 1 month.
Bakasyon ng Christmas?
Yeah, I'm 1 month. I'm off for a month.
Oh, really?
But Kevin's only off until
I know, and